Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply go live on TikTok. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is look for that if your TikTok is updated or not, and if it's not, just go into your Play Store and update it. So once it's updated, make sure that you go into the TikTok, and while going towards it, just get towards your create a post icon or a post that would be down below at the very bottom of the screen. Once you reach there, just tap on it. Once you do that, simply under your camera story and templates option that is at the bottom of the screen, you would have that live option. And if it's not, it's quite all right, because for that you just have to have those 1,000 followers, and if it's not, it's quite all right. So to go on live, you need to have those 1,000 followers, and afterwards you can have that live option. And when you have that, just tap or press on the snapshot to create or to start going live, and your followers would automatically be notified that you are live, and they can see you and reach out to your live videos. So this is how you get live on TikTok. And if you still have some questions or queries, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Till next time, peace.